What's up, everybody? So I'm up pretty early, not for any good reason. I'm on my way to work. You know, something's got to pay the bills around here. But for the next 31 days, I am going to challenge myself posting a video every day for the month of July. Now, the reason why I want to do this, I want to get better with talking, being more consistent, and just kind of share various topics throughout the whole month of July. On today's video, I want to talk a little about the history on how I got into motorcycles and how I came to be where I'm at today. But first off, you know, just a little bit of the history. I was about in my early teens. I was at a buddy's house and he had a dirt bike, and I was ripping that up and down around his house, and I thought that was really cool. I never really had any of that growing up, and from then, like, I knew, oh, I really wanted a dirt bike or some sort, but that never really happened. But then a few years later down the road, my buddy, he had gotten a bike, a road bike, Harley. He got a 883 Sportster. I've never been on any sort of road bike until that day, and I rode it up and down the road, and from then I wanted to get one. He was selling it, and I wanted to buy it, but talking with my girlfriend at the time, who's now my wife, you know, she was against it, but I wasn't in the right space financially. My credit was shit, so that put a damper on that. But then a few years ago, during the whole COVID pandemic, I ended up buying a 1999 Yamaha WRF 400. Had that for about a couple of years, and then I just ended up getting rid of it. And then one day, my brother-in-law, he was talking about getting a bike. So then I started talking about getting a bike and bringing it up to my wife more and more. You know, I was looking around, seeing what I could find, looking on Facebook Marketplace. And eventually I ended up going to a Harley dealership. Looking around up there, found one that I really liked. Mind you, it was going to be my first road bike, and I didn't have a whole lot of money to spend. Found it, went back, talked to my wife, filled out the online paperwork for financing, got approved for the amount, and that very day I went up, filled out all the paperwork, and I bought a 2016 Harley Roadster 1200. I rode that for a year, got really comfortable on it, ended up paying that one off, and then Harley had just released their 2022 models, and I upgraded to this bad boy, the 22 Harley Lowrider S, and I absolutely love this bike. I have gone to so many places on this bike than I ever could have imagined. But yeah, these videos, they're not going to be very long. You know, I'm going to do my best to, in edit, to make them look pretty good. but they're not. They're just going to be like quick edit type stuff to get them out the door. I may lose some subs on this, I may gain some, but from posting every day. But like I said, you know, I'm trying to be more consistent, trying to get better with my cameras, my editing software, and just talk about bike things. So I don't have much longer till I'm at work. Just wanted to chat a little bit and tell you how I got into motorcycles. Basically, you know, I was always infatuated by them, but from movies and other stuff. But yeah, you know, it would really help me out. You guys hit that like and subscribe button, help me grow this channel, my brand. But with that being said, hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.